Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about this Canva hack in which you'll be entering some cheat codes in the Elements tab so that you'll be able to access amazing assets. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So here we are on this Canva. And now let us just go click on the create design and let us create some design. Let's say that I want to create something like a presentation, or let's say that I want to create something like an Instagram story. And let it load. So here let me choose some design. Let's say that I'll go with this, and here in the elements, go to the elements, and in the search elements, go for this 3D hand and search for it. So once you just search, you can just find all these 3D hands this way. So let us click on see all to see all these graphics that are having this 3D hands. And from here we can just choose any of this like this, and you can just paste it somewhere wherever you want to. You want to keep it to be, and you can just scroll down to see other options also like this. You can use it, this 3D hand. And there is another cheat code, that is you just need to paste this others codes I'll be mentioning in the description. And once you click on this code in the elements tab, you can find all these vegetables and some of the spices. So you can choose one among them, like let's say that I want to choose this. You can just choose it, and you can keep it on your design. So as of now let me delete it, and let's go to the another cheat code. Here we need to search for this code in your elements tab, and this would end up you with all these persons images like this graphics you can see. So we can, let me just say that I want this kind of graphic, so I can go for this and I can paste it anywhere, like I can adjust it anywhere on my design. And now the other cheat code comes out to be this, which I'm gonna paste it. And now, so this will be giving you these all kind of stuff where you can see like it is producing us something like an artificial intelligence one, and some of the complex illustrations graphics that you can add on to your Canva design. Let's say that I want to add this one, so let me remove previous ones to just show you this clearly. So I can just add something like this. So this is a pro version, so this is showing me this watermark, and the next code comes out to be this. So let me just search for this, and this will be giving you such such results where you can have like these kind of results of where you are having something like a website, some cake, and you can see what kind of things it is producing as a search result. And let me just say that I want this cake, so you can see what is how it is looking on our design. And the last code is this. So you can see that this is showing us the married couple and the delivery guy. So the children who is pouring the water. So we can just remove this and add them also. Let's say that I want to add this married couple. So this thing, you can see that how beautiful these designs are to put on your own designs, these elements. I will be sharing all these codes in the description of this video. You can go check out them and also subscribe to PC Tips Pro. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.